Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to have a custom image for our pen drive, just like a logo, and we will rename our pen drive name. So here you can see I have my pen drive plugged in USB drive D. So we are going to have a icon over here and we will rename this. For that, what we are going to do is just create one text file. Just open this file and type in inside square brackets, type in auto run, and now provide label equals. Here we will give the label that we want to have with our pen drive. Let's say I'm just giving this as a label, and I want to have an icon. Here I will provide the image name. So for this image we require BMP image. For that, just download any image or whatever image you want to have in our pen drive logo. Just right click on that image and click on edit or open it as notepad. Go to file, save as, file, save as BMP image. Now just give here logo.bmp or whatever name you like. So now this image, and in this provide that name which was logo.bmp. Now save this file, save as autorun.inf, because when we plug in any external device, Windows first run this file. This is a configuration file, so name it as autorun.inf and here choose all files, save it. Now just copy this file autorun.inf and logo.bmp. Just copy this and paste it in your pen drive. Now just eject this pen drive. Now unplug this pen drive from your system and then plug it back again. Here you can see new icon is displayed here and even the name is TechieRK now. So this is how we can do that, and if you want you can hide these files as well. Just go to properties and select hidden, apply. Same for this autorun.inf. So now your pen drive is empty, but you still have the icon and the label which is TechieRK. So that's how you can put an image on the pen drive and you can rename it. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.